morning, March 19, 2022, 7 a.m. We are here at the primary school. We are putting a new roof over the inner court. This is a big renovation project, and since the roof is done already, we are now working on the ceiling. We can walk up the ramp here, and you can see the works that we are doing on the ceiling. So the ceiling sheets are aluminium composite panels. There's still lots of panels that we have to put up. So this middle section is done already. All the sheets, 60-meter long roof on the right side. Let me show you. On the right side, half of it is done. The overhang on the right side, not yet. So this is the left side of the roof. The overhang, we still have to do ceiling sheets. Okay, the next update when this project is done. See you. God bless you.